Common pipe materials used in the home. Appearance: large diameter heavy metal pipe, dull black with a rough, mottled surface. Appearance: white rigid plastic. Appearance: bright, shiny chrome finished pipe of larger diameter, more than 1 inch. Appearance: bright, shiny chrome finished pipe of smaller diameter, 3/8 or less. Appearance: dull silver gray rigid metal pipe. Appearance: dull, copper-colored metal pipe. Appearance: dull white or cream-colored plastic. Appearance: typically blue cold water, red hot water, or white flexible plastic pipe. Appearance: dull black rigid pipe, usually 1 inch or less in diameter. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.